that you just heard are calls made by owls. But you know what? The Malay fish owl, they sound a bit different. Now we're going to hear from Belang and Tupa. Okay, let's start with Tupa. Wow, Belang, hang on. Belang, one from you? Yeah, now you can call. Belang? Wow, really loud screechy calls. Now did you know that there are more than 200 species of owls found throughout the world? Yeah, even though they can be found in most of the continents, but no owls can be found in Antarctica. That's right, you agree with me? What do you think, Tupa? There you go. Tupa, turn around. Look at everybody. Okay, now did you know that some owls, they use their ears instead of eyes to hunt? Yeah, therefore those owls are able to hunt in total darkness. You agree with that? Yes, see that. Okay, we're going to hear one last call from and a last call from missed that one more. Tupa. Hello? Tupa? There you go. We're almost the way. Let's give our owls a big hand. Thank you. Now Belang is going to make his way back home. You know the way home. That way. Okay, let's see if Rimau is ready to come along. Rimau? Uh-oh. There she, oh, coming! Here she comes! Wow, she has a beautiful bird on her fist. And let's find out more about that bird. Rimau, you're doing a great job. Really good. Okay, back to the center stage. Well done, right over here. You having fun, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to make this even more interesting for you. Okay. Okay, don't walk away. Right over here. Now I want you to look at everybody first. Give me this hand. Bring it out straight like that. And your other hand as well. Here comes Tupa to join you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Rimau a big hand. Rimau, you're having fun, right? Yes. Lots of fun. Scared as well. Bit scared? Okay, how about I let you get used to the birds a bit, yeah? Yeah. You stand here for about half an hour. Okay, thank you. I'm going for my coffee break. Thanks, Rimau. Oh, yeah, you're driving for coffee as well? I'll buy you breakfast? Yeah, no problem. Okay. What else? Okay. Hey, you put up on Rimau. Rimau, sorry. Do you want anything? No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, Rimau, we're just kidding. Now, Mas is going to come back to take Tupa from you. And the glove as well. Thank you, Mas. Okay, bend your elbow. Bring it closer to you. Bring it closer to you. So, if you keep moving back, you're going to fall into the pond, Rimau. Right over here. Okay, Rimau, tell us, what do you know about this bird? What's his name?
Malay owl.
Malay eagle owl.
Malay eagle
Yeah,
owl.
and what is his name?
Rocky.
Rocky, that's right.
I'm 29 years old.
29. Wow, that's still pretty young, you know. Because these birds, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. Okay, what else?
I don't know anything else about it. It's really heavy on my hand.
Okay. I'm sure they told you one more thing, right? You got Rocky, Malay eagle owl, 29 years old, and oh, see, Rocky's trying to tell you. Okay, look at Rocky. Do you think he's good looking? Handsome? Yes. He is, isn't he? Yes. Yeah, Rocky's also single.
I let him be single for another 5 years.
You're not interested?
No.
Sorry, Rocky. Maybe tomorrow, huh? Okay, Mas is going to say Rocky from you. Right up here. Okay, and the glove. Oh, Rimau, you save me. Okay, right over here. Rimau, one more thing to ask you. Yeah, okay? Now, owls, they can turn their heads a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how many degrees can an owl turn its head?
Not 360, about 360.
360. You sure? Maybe. Okay, let's ask the audience. Okay, what do you think is the right answer? What was the answer? 360? Yes? All of you agree with her? You sure? Very sure? All wrong. No, 360, Rimau. That's one full circle. All the way around. And then the owl shape falls off. Yeah, because the hairless owl fly around. The actual answer is 270. Rimau, thank you very much for helping me out. That's for you. Thank you very much. Let's give Rimau a big hand. Thank you. Pick up. Ladies and gentlemen, look right up there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all those with umbrellas, please bring your umbrellas down. Yeah? Bring your umbrellas down. Don't bring it up. Thank you. White-tailed sea eagles. Now, white-tailed sea eagles are the largest eagles found in Europe. White-tailed sea eagles take about 6 years to fully mature. Junior is 26 years old. Yeah, now how did they get their name, the white-tailed sea eagles? As Junior makes another flight right above your head, have a look, it's really prominent, white-tail. Okay, let's get into position. Stand for space, please. Thank you. Right up here, Junior. Ready? Up you go. Look at the white tail. Right up there, on to his favorite perch.
Quiet.
And in shot off off. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Junior a big hand. Thank you. Now moving on to a very intelligent little prey. Yeah, his name is Miguel, and Miguel is a crested caracara. Hello, Miguel. I'll see you ready. Alright, come over here, Miguel. On the boulder, and let's watch him. Ready? There you go. Flip his head back to say good morning to everybody. Now, crested caracaras are very intelligent birds. Hang on, Miguel. I have a tree bark. Yeah, and this tree bark has a piece of meat attached underneath. Let's watch how he's going to get to it, okay? Over there first. Flip the tree bark over with his beak, and he got to that piece of meat. We have hidden some food under this rock. Get to it. Roll the rock over with his feet. Second rock. Second one. Oops, you passed it. Right over here. Oh, nothing there. Right, that's for you. Okay, last rock. On your own. Faster. Last one. Yeah, well done. Let's give Miguel a big hand. Very smart indeed. Now, all these are not tricks that we taught Miguel. Yeah, hang on. Now, crested caracaras are known to overturn rocks, pebbles, tree barks in search of food such as worms and insects. Yeah, okay, let's say an insect takes off and fly away. These birds are able to pluck. What were you doing? Okay, let's get back. Now, these birds are able to pluck the insects right from the air, just like that. Got it? Okay, one more time, Miguel. Ready? One more time. Right in front, Miguel. One more time. Well done indeed. Okay, remember saying these birds are very intelligent? Yeah? In fact, I have an IQ test prepared for Miguel. Miguel, hang on. Enough of your vertical jump. Okay, IQ test time. Follow me. Hey, follow me, but don't walk in front of me, please. Miguel! Hey! Okay, wait, hang on. Not funny, right? Miguel, yeah, give me my shoelaces. Okay, enough. Go over there. Thank you. Okay, IQ test. Hang on. Hey! Leave it. Miguel, come on. Look at him. Can't take care of you. Stop walking in front of me. Okay, IQ test time. Now, in this bottle is a piece of meat. Yeah, and it's attached to a very long string. Let's watch how he's going to get to it. Ready? Over there first. Okay, come on back here. Get to it. You see, pulling the string with his beak and his feet. There's a very long string in it. Oh, he got that piece of meat. Well done. Very smart, isn't he? Yeah, are you done? Don't pull the string, Miguel. Okay, take your time. Got it? Okay, let go of the string. Go there. I need to clear all this up. Okay, you just get all this. Miguel, I need to take the string. Nice. Okay, come over here. Okay, Miguel, how about you go down the field? Yeah, you stay over there, okay? Let me just clear all this up first. Okay, I'll just put the bottle back and we'll get Miguel back here. Okay, Miguel, are you ready? Where did Miguel go to? You went in? You sure? Oh my goodness. Okay, just as well. I think I know why he went in, yeah? But that's because he knows there's going to be lots of other birds coming out here to join us. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, here they come. Now, these triplets that you see out here, these are American black vultures from South America. Oh, what's this over there? Alright, now there's a black kite found throughout the world. The big one's flying right now. That is a marble top. Not a bit of prey, but also some scavenging among the vultures. One more for to join us. Flying right across you is our turkey vulture from North and South America. And ladies and gentlemen, here they are once again, the Fuji Warhawk. Thank you. Thank you very much.
11分钟。
Now before we go, I'd like to introduce you to the people who have been working very hard to make this show possible. Right over there, that's Clarence. At the other corner, that's Gaz. Behind there with all the birds, that's Bob. Thank you. Now right after the show, we're going to have a photography session in Tupa. For just $10 Singapore, you get to handle Tupa on your fist. Just like how I'm holding Tupa, and with your own cameras, you can take as many photographs as you want. All proceeds will go to the Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. Photography session happening right after the show, over at the box there. Then the next show that is going on, the Quest and Buddy Show at 11 a.m. at the Pools Amphitheater. Till then, ladies and gentlemen, you've been a wonderful audience. Have a great day at the park. Bye.